it's Prachi and today I'm going to review the December Wallet box which has been curated by the Bollywood designer Archana Kochar and also the Savvy magazine. So obviously it goes without saying I'm really excited to show you what's in there because this box is precious. So like always, when you open this box, the first thing you'll see is a beautiful photograph of the Wallet donation drive where they donate sanitary supplies to those in need. Because as you guys probably already know, for every sale they make, the Wallet box actually donates period essentials to the girls in need. And I think this comes from the fact that Wallet box was initially a period essentials box, which you can still get for 799 rupees. And if you don't want the period essentials, that means if you don't want the sanitary supplies, you can still get this box for 699 rupees because it does not contain the sanitary supplies with the other goodies. Also in this box you'll find a welcome letter which describes all the products that they have packed inside. And I'm not going to go into the details of this letter because I think that will ruin all the surprise and all the fun of the box. So let's dig into this box and let's look at all the goodies that are in there. So in this box they have packed a lot of products from Roots and Herbs, which honestly I couldn't be happy about because I love this brand. As you can see, there's a Roots and Herbs Punch Meva Skin Polishing Body Scrub, and then there's a nutritive Argan Face Cleanser from the same brand. Apart from that, I think keeping in mind that it is the winter time, they've also packed a moisturizer which is a Pomegranate Kaya Kalp Elixir Moisturizer, again from Roots and Herbs. And since Wallet box is all about pampering yourself with a lot of luxury and a lot of style, they've also sent Christopher Cocoa 55% dark chocolates. There are 4 chocolates in this pack. For beverages, this time you'll find a Colombian Brew Arabica Bean Instant Coffee, which gives you 8 servings, and a whole bunch of sample size products from a brand called Halgo. I think that's how it's pronounced. These are actually extremely travel friendly, and they have sent a lot of things, starting from exfoliators for normal to combination skin, and then exfoliator for dry and sensitive skin, along with a hydrating mask and a skin soothing and brightening serum. And finally a dry shampoo from Bio Organic and Natural, which is really cool for your hair. And a Wild and Creamy Rose Organic Body Wash, once again from Bio Organic and Natural. Now honestly guys, this box contains a lot of things. It contains a lot of full-size products, a lot of sample-size products, and I was actually very happy to see this box because December is like a winter month when you just want to cuddle up inside your blanket, with a cup of coffee and just some things to pamper yourself with. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys agree with me. What's happening to my hair? Okay, yeah. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys agree with me, and if you like this video, if you like this box, if you like anything about this video, please click like and subscribe to Superboss Style. If you have not subscribed yet, follow me on my social media. All the links have been shared in the description box below. Also, since we had added, there's something called a day drinking box. So if you're somebody who's really big on beverages, you might want to check it out. They actually send you 30 servings of tea and coffee, like different types, different brands, different flavors to check out and to experiment with. So I'll share a link for the Wallet box and the day drinking box in the description box below. A lot of boxes here. And yeah, with that I'm gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.